to my channel. I know I have not done a video. I just freaking broke my pen. Fixed it. Anyway, I know I haven't done a video in a couple of weeks, but I have videos ready. I just haven't edited them. Oh well. Anyway, in today's video, so okay, first off, let me just start by saying I sell cosmetics. I'm gonna put some pictures around here. No, what's happening? Anyway, sorry for my crazy hair. I don't know what's happening, but yes, I do sell cosmetics. I've been selling them for really since November of 2019, and it is now April 1st, 2020. But I mainly sell glosses, and I'm going to show you guys some examples, or you did see around here, but I will show some examples in just a minute. So I have a couple of different topics because since I've been selling these, a lot of people have been asking me these different questions about it and everything, and I decided I'm just going to film a video so everybody can see, because a lot of companies, or not companies, but a lot of people are like, oh, I want to start selling my own business and blah 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 blah, and so I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna make some videos and I'm going to explain it the way I do it, because it's different when you watch YouTube videos and you're like, oh, okay, but then when it's somebody like I'm somebody these people know, and so it's just different. So I'm gonna make these videos for you guys and anybody else who wants to see it. But yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe if you would like more of these types of videos. I'm gonna start coming out with videos of me making the glosses and everything, so be prepared for that. Make sure your notification bell is on so you can stay tuned for those. So I have a couple different topics that I'm going to be talking about, and I'm going to be filming a lot of them today. So if you see these videos and like I'm in the same color, it's the same everything, that's why, because I filmed these all, but I made them separate videos. So I have things that you need for the things that I sell.
Making a video, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. So I just got some packages, so we're gonna open these real fast. So I ordered these containers for my lip scrubs. It said 50, and I guess who's stupid? I didn't look at the size. These are my regular ones, right? This is the Golden Rose edible lip scrub, right? These are my roll-on bottles. Let me show you what they look like. Everything, it has 24 in here. These are just more mica powders. Okay, so as I was saying before I got interrupted with packages, I'm gonna just tell you guys the videos that are gonna be coming up on this channel about the lip gloss business or whatever. So the first one is like what you need for your different things that you're gonna sell, which the next thing will be what you need to actually sell stuff. So like not only the oils and like everything you need to make the gloss or the lip scrub or whatever, not even all that stuff, but like also like labels and all that kind of thing. So that will be one video. How to make your website will be one video. How to do shipping. Shipping was so freaking hard for me. Like, I'm gonna give a shout out to who helped me. You guys should definitely check her channel out. When the shipping video is uploaded, I don't know if it'll be this one yet because I'm just all over the place, scatterbrain all the time. So, but whenever I do that video, I will make sure to put her in the description box because she saved me so much money. So, next one will be packaging, like how I package my things, how to do it and everything, because it can be kind of confusing and you really want them to be cute. So next thing will be how to take pictures of your products. There's no video, well, there's hardly any videos on really how to take good pictures, good quality pictures for your videos. There's a few, but like I personally like the videos of like the different things in the sun, because the sun shows the actual color, but you don't have to edit it or anything, you know what I'm saying, because like it's just bright outside and it shows the shimmers and everything. So that's what I personally like taking my pictures outside, but I will show you guys how I take my pictures outside. The other thing will be what to sell. So there's a bunch of different things to sell. So besides lip glosses, because it's all over right now. So that is another thing, another video I will show you guys. And I think that is it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with the things that you need. No. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what you need to start selling, what you need to start your business. Now this isn't like the things to make your things, make your products. This is what you need to start. I'm gonna show you guys, okay? So if you go, you know, when you buy your stuff, you know what I'm saying? You buy your packages, and not your packages, but your like containers and tubes and everything, and you start making your glosses, then you're like, well, wait, I need labels for my glosses now. I need stuff for packaging, because you're eventually gonna want to start selling these online. And even if you don't, like even if you just say local and everything, what are you gonna put them in? You're just gonna hand them a gloss? Like you're gonna be like, oh, here you go. Here's your gloss. No, you want it to be cute. So I'm gonna show you guys how I package in another video, but I'm gonna show you guys what you're gonna need to start your business. So the first thing is your ingredients, obviously, which I will have another video on how. I'm out of breath from talking. I'm gonna do another video on what things I put in my products, because everybody's different and everybody's gonna tell you that. No one is gonna give you their 100% recipe, because they don't want you to steal it and then sell it to people, even though they're all basically the same recipe. At the end of the day, you can look it up and have it just like that, and I'm not gonna make you work for something that hard when it's not that hard. It shouldn't be that difficult. So I'm here to help people, and I know a lot of people on here are like, well, this is how I do it, okay, and I don't want you to take my thing away from me, my recipe and everything, because that's not fair to you. Because like when I started, I was struggling trying to figure out how to get everything, how to what oils to put in there, what base to use or whatever. So I'm gonna make it so simple, and I'm here to help you guys. A lot of people keep DMing me and commenting on my stuff, you know, and messaging me on how I did this, and I want to show you guys. I feel like this is a gift, not really a gift, but like I feel like I'm really good at this, and I don't feel as if I should not share it with other people, because God gave me this and I need to share it, and I'm not going to be selfish and not share it with you guys. Ingredients. Make sure you have your ingredients. Like I said, video will be coming on the ingredients that I use that you're going to want to use, because they're perfect. Labels. So I'm going to show you guys my labels, and I will have the girl I get my labels from in the description box below. So these are my labels. Just used some today, but they come with 4 pages of 24. No, doesn't sound right. I don't know, it's a couple pages of this for like $4, and my brand is just named Zoe, but like, you know, it's just Zoe. And I used to have the white ones. Let me show you. Right here has like the white label, and then I got the gold and the white the first time, but I was like, the gold looks so much better, I feel like. And this is Ginger Soul, by the way, and this is basic. Containers is next. So for containers, I showed you guys some that I got in the mail today. So these are the containers that I use for my lip scrubs. Why didn't I show this earlier? They're like this, you know, the screw on top. This is a container that I put the liquid lipsticks in. This is my lip gloss. This is the Golden Rose, part of the Golden Rose collection. Just look how pretty that is, honestly. If you guys would like a tutorial on this, then go ahead and leave a comment below if you would like to see them, because these are just, look at all of that in there. It's just so pretty. You guys, the lip oils I have. Now I'm gonna let you guys know, if you guys decide to make lip oils, they do separate, because the oils and the pigments, they do separate, but if you just shake them up, it's okay. Like, because I mean, even with the Golden Rose one, like everything just kind of falls to the bottom, so you just kind of have to shake it up a little bit. So for packaging, these are the packages I use. They're really small. They're 4x8. packages, but they fit everything in there. Like, surprisingly, like these fit in there, and like when I use these, they fit in there. It's a little snug and I am planning on getting bigger ones, but for right now they work. You're gonna need gloves, obviously, which that's like an essential thing that you're gonna need. Gloves, stuff to sanitize, like Clorox wipes, Lysol, everything like that. A scale for when you start shipping. This is my scale. I got it at Walmart for literally like, I think this one's 20, but they have cheaper ones. This one was just a bigger surface. The other ones are like, I don't know, like what size? I don't know, they were smaller, but they would still work too. Obviously, you know, you need your tubes and everything, a printer and a laptop, so like, or a computer. I use my computer. I have a Chromebook. I can't print things off it because it's stupid, so I have to it's not, I'm just kidding, it's not actually stupid. I have to get a special printer for it, and I'm just not doing that. So I have to use another computer, but that's fine, you know, to print my labels. It's not that big of a deal. I use everything on that computer. I just print my labels on a different computer, which that will be a different video. That will be in the shipping video on how I print my labels and everything. So also, you're gonna want a notebook. So this is my notebook. I actually have like 4 notebooks, and I just randomly, like, I'll just pick one up and start writing in it. So like, I have like a bunch of random stuff in my notebooks. Not all of it is for lip gloss or whatever. You're going to need storage. Storage is a huge thing. When I first started this, I had like this little area. I'm not gonna show you because my room's a mess. But so like, I have a regular desk, and like that's where I would do my makeup. So I eventually just started storing my stuff on there. But the problem with doing that is that where am I gonna do my makeup, right? So I actually moved my little office area into the hallway, which I will kind of show you guys. If you follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, any of that, you'll see what it looks like where I like hold everything. By the way, if you want to see how I make some of my items, my TikTok will show you how. It's just Zoe X Cosmetics. Same thing with my Instagram, it's Zoe X Cosmetics. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Make sure you go check it out so you can buy some glosses. Hey you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. I will be coming out with the next videos. I'm planning on filming them all today actually, and then I'm going to post them sporadically throughout the next couple of weeks because it's literally like 7 or 8 videos. I don't know, maybe not that many, I don't know. Every other day or twice a week or something, I'm gonna be posting videos. So maybe every day, who knows? I do what I want, bro. Thank you guys so much. I would love you guys so much. Bye bye.